Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can remove a language in Windows 10. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Windows 10 and just go to search and just write language settings, right? And here you're gonna see the language. And what you want to do is just click here remove. And right now, as you can see in right top corner, I got only English and Slovak. So again, you go to language settings, right click on it and just click remove. So yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. Have a great day and goodbye.